This episode highlights two practical hacks that cut waste and energy use: a quick fridge audit and using smart plugs. Do a rapid fridge audit, label leftovers, group foods by type, and finish what's there before buying more. Next, swap idle outlets for smart plugs, schedule nightly power downs, and rely on daylight to trim lighting needs. Keep it simple with reusable containers and jars to minimize packaging and reinforce a waste-smart mindset. Tiny daily tweaks add up fast, so join the challenge and share wins together to stay motivated.